Hi everyone, Namaste. Harvey hurricane and Irma hurricane, these are man-made? Oh no, man-made? Some scientists are claiming that Hurricane Harvey and Irma is man-made, created by harp technology of weather. Oh no. It's impossible. Totally impossible. I have mentioned in previous videos about this weather changing and the ocean activities, science behind it, the new discoveries I have given. I never believe by harp technology science can produce such a big hurricane in so big pressure and earthquake. No, this is not true. I not believe, because as my discovery, it is related with dark matter, dark relation theory. It is related with the solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, and the dark matter, and the black hole of the sun, and black hole of earth, and nowadays sun releasing more white energy through the black hole of the sun, black hole activities of the sun, and the black hole activities of earth. Due to this thing, this phenomena is occurring, and such kind of hurricanes in past and in future also it may occur due to the dark matter and black hole. It is not true that only by the laser beam and pouring these nanoparticles on the ocean or on water, the science can produce so big pressure and hurricane. It is impossible. Of course, I believe science can produce the big storms, waves, tides. It can produce, but it can't produce earthquake, can't produce the hurricane in big pressure. And for another example, evidence, now after immediately hurricane, that earthquake hit immediately, one example. Next, water is dry up, swallow up, earth is swallow up all the ocean water. What is this? That is also by science, earthquake and this dry up of ocean? No. The tiny dust particles or the laser beam or the nanoparticles can't create so big pressure like a black hole and earthquake. I can't believe. So let us give a look in such foolish statement. I not believe. This is the foolish statement.
World-renowned physicist Dr. Michio Kaku made a shocking confession on live TV when he admitted that HARP is responsible for the recent spate of hurricanes. What's up, everybody? Truth Seeker here. In an interview aired by CBS, Dr. Kaku admitted that recent homemade hurricanes have been the result of government weather modification programs in which the skies were sprayed with nanoparticles and storms then activate through the use of lasers. It says in an interview below, Michio discusses the history of weather modifications before CBS crew stopped him in his tracks. The High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, HARP, was created in the early 1990s as part of the Ionospheric Research Program jointly funded by the U.S. Air Force, the U.S. Navy, the University of Alaska Fairbanks, and the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, DARPA. According to government officials, HARP allows the military to modify and weaponize the weather by triggering earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes. I'll go ahead and play the video clip here for you.
You know, they were talking about climate change yesterday, and now we're learning that scientists and researchers are looking at how to change the weather on purpose. That's right, lasers now could one day manipulate rain and lightning. CBS This Morning contributor Michio Kaku is a physics professor at City College of New York. Professor, nice to see you. Extraordinary seeing Al Gore and Bill Clinton there together with Charlie, wasn't it?
That's right,
Yeah, they did not get into this discussion, though. But it is fascinating. I mean, lasers, really? To change the weather?
That's right. Well, as Mark Twain once famously said, everyone complains about the weather, but no one ever does anything about it. Well, instead of doing a rain dance, we physicists are firing trillion-watt lasers into the sky to actually precipitate rain clouds and actually bring down lightning bolts. This is potentially a game changer.
But this is experimental.
It's experimental, however, in the laboratory so far it works. When you have water vapor and you have dust particles or ice crystals, you can precipitate rain. It condenses around the seeds. These seeds can also be created by laser beams. By firing trillion-watt lasers, you rip apart the electrons, creating what are called ions, and these ions act like seeds, like dust particles, bringing down rain and even lightning. Go ahead.
Wow. Sorry. No. By laser beam and the nanoparticles in ocean, the scientists can create hurricane. Oh, no. Because we have already seen the center eye of the hurricane. That is the black hole I already told. The tiny black hole which is releasing from the earth core. And immediately after this solar eclipse and sun is releasing the more energy, sun flares through the black hole of the sun, and earth also releasing the dark matter. And due to the global warming, this black matter converting the white energy into dark. At that time it convert into hurricanes, and the center of hurricane is the tiny black holes. It creates the white matter into dark matter, and that dark matter sometimes falls as this meteors like, stones like, and lightning, thundering. Sometimes goes out from the outside the earth. And some of the energy, black energy, dark energy, I told in previous video what is dark energy, black energy. So black hole sucks, absorb inside in the core of the earth. Some of energy, water changes into dark energy, and black hole absorb inside the earth, and some of it outside the earth. It forms as dark matter and sometimes falls on the earth also as meteors like stones, sometimes release out from the earth. This is due to the natural phenomena, and this is caused by the dark matter and white matter, dark energy and white energy. So I told my discovery proves that water is black energy, dark energy itself, it's dark matter, so it converts into black hole, then water dry up. Now ocean may dry up. Sometimes it may water dry up. We have seen in the recent video that water is now dry up on the ocean, on the bank of that Mexico, or near that's America, the bank of ocean. The water is now disappeared. Why? Water is disappeared because earth sucks down as dark matter. because water itself a dark matter, and it becomes black hole and sucks earth sucks inside the core, and some of goes outside the earth, and some falls as a mysterious lightning meteors like stones. So water turns into dark matter. This is my science. And on next video, let us see one more example that water is dry up immediately after the hurricane, water disappearing on sea, ocean.
It's before they get totally trapped in the storm here. But as you can see, we can walk out another sort of 200 yards. The dogs seem to be enjoying themselves. Typically time for eaters minimum. But I don't know. I'm not a weatherman. I'm just a reporter. Brandon, from West Palm Beach, down next year. Fine. Get it right now. Reckon you're gonna go home here pretty soon and get sleep. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna put last window to board up next. Good deal. All right, put her up. All right. You'll be good.
Look these pictures. Water disappeared from the ocean. Water disappearing, dry up ocean after immediately Hurricane Irma and Harvey. And after immediately the Hurricane Irma, this earthquake hit, and now scientists are claiming that this thing is man-made, and this thing created by laser beam and the nanoparticles, harp technology of weather, they are claiming. If it is true, then this demonic demonic activities, but it is not true. Of course, there is nothing is impossible by science. I believe it. It is possible everything. But recent hurricanes, recent this earthquake, and this disappearing water, this is not by harp. This is not created by any person, any man, not man-made. I never believe it. Never believe it. So big pressure of hurricane which turns the white energy into black dark, and water now disappeared due to hot atoms in weather, global warming, and in the same time the solar eclipse, and the same time solar flares, the hot energy releasing from the earth core of the sun, releasing hot flares from the sun, and the core of the sun there is also black hole I mentioned in previous videos, and inside the earth is also black hole, and this black hole and dark matter is responsible to create such kind of phenomenon: hurricane, earthquake, and disappearing water. The reform into this water reforms into dark matter, change into dark matter, and it is now disappearing. It is very dangerous, but no need to worry. Again it appears, because dark energy produce white energy, and white energy produce dark energy. So now dark energy again can produce water, more water. Again we make water can rise up again, but it can change the direction or the place. It may happen, or it may cause the tsunami also. This is the sign of tsunami also, because earth sucking inside, all water sucking under the earth. Now again release. At that time tsunami happens. So this Harvey hurricane and Irma hurricane and earthquake and disappearing of water is not man-made. Totally wrong. I am sorry. I never believe. I am disagree. This is foolish statement of scientists. Never believe. A laser beam can't produce so big pressure like black hole. It is impossible. Impossible. For more detail, please visit my more videos about the dark matter, black hole, and the weather change, and these activities of the everything, natural activities I have mentioned there. And it is true. It is true. I never believed that American scientists creating such kind of hurricane and earthquake and disappearing water. Oh no. This is not belief. Not true. Fact statement. Sorry. Please, next video.